Website design. Why a good website design is essential for your business. The general layout of a website is very important because every great website starts with a great layout. The layout includes many different aspects of the website, including where the navigational menu will be placed, what type of typography will be used, and the colors that you're going to use. Now, there's a lot to remember when designing a website. We're going to go over a few of the most important areas that you should pay attention to. First of all, you need to define a purpose. Most local businesses will create a website with the purpose of generating more leads and getting more customers. Is that what your website is currently doing? If it's not, then you need to rethink your purpose if that's what your intended purpose is. The color themes. Even if you love every color of the rainbow, it doesn't mean that you should use every single color on your site. Colors will bring life to your website and make certain sections pop, but you have to be very careful when using them. You have to use them correctly because some colors will cause different reactions from different customers. You also want to include images that you have the legal rights to. Make sure you are not just copying images off the internet and using those on your site, and make sure your web designer is not doing that either. You also want to keep mobile in mind. You must have a mobile-friendly website. We can't stress that enough. Make sure that you have a mobile website that is either in addition to your regular website or your current website converts to a mobile-friendly version. You want to make sure you have proper navigation, that your menus are set up in the correct way, and that when your users need to get where they want to go, that they are just a few clicks away from doing that. Don't make it too convoluted. You want to have some clear calls to action. Make sure that you are telling them to call you, or you're telling them to email you, or to opt in to an email form, whatever the case may be, but your calls to action should be really, really big and noticeable. So is your website an online business card or a lead generator? You need to decide early on which you want, because an online business card is just something that's stagnant, it's just out there on the internet, and it's usually not making any money for you. It's just an online business card. But if you have a lead generator for your website, it probably means that you are giving something away, like a video, a coupon, a free product, something that can get people to give you their email. So you have an email capture form on your website, you're collecting leads, and you're building a list. That is the best use of a website. If your web designer does not know how to do that, you need to make sure that you hire a good marketing consultant that can help you with setting this all up. And now we're not talking about just the email marketing side of things, but your good marketing consultant can help you with the complete design of the entire process. Now, a great website will grab the attention of users and evoke emotion, ultimately make users want to stay on and interact even further with a company. But you want to keep all these things in mind when creating your website. What is it that you want it to do? Do you want that lead generating machine? We think that that's the best use for a website. If you do not have a website that is making you money, then you definitely need to call us today for a free website design consultation. We can go over everything in this presentation and talk about how we can help your business create a lead generating machine rather than just a money sucking drain that your website may currently be doing.